We got Trooper fights for his gun.
In Minnesota, and this state trooper is responding to a routine.
Bro, he went through a few voices, Midwest Safety. This is like a whole nother one.
It's the middle of winter in Minnesota, and this state trooper is responding to a routine car crash. But he's about ready to be in the fight of his life.
Bro, routine car crash? That sounds horrible, man. That sounds like it was just like supposed to happen. It was scheduled.
As a suspect attacks him and tries to steal the officer's gun. This officer, or more specifically, Minnesota State Trooper, will arrive on scene to the car crash shortly. When he arrives, you'll see one of the car doors are spinning, or one of the people now driving. At the
Bro, I hate when people do that. You see clearly he's trying to go. And then I'm right there, waiting for everyone else to follow the rules. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's just dipping? He's just walking away, bro? Oh, you know he has like a warrant or something then. Like, he's not going.
What's up? Get your hands in the pocket. Where are you walking from? The car? No. No? Oh, whose car is that? I have no idea. How come they're saying you're walking from it?
Why are you just talking to him, dude? He's actively walking away from the scene. He's all bundled up, hands in his pockets. He's covering his face too with one of his hands. Like, pull your gun out, bro. This is not a situation where you're all, oh, what's up, bro? He's walking away.
I have no idea. All right, got ID on you? I don't. All right, let's have a seat in my car then. No.
Issue, sorry.
No. You don't have authority over me. This is God's body, sir. This is God's son.
Bro, you should have immediately detained him. He's walking away. You don't know what's going on yet. It looks like it could be a problem. Detain him until you know what's going on. Don't arrest him. But bro, I feel like that is not what you were supposed to do. Like, if somebody saw that, they'd be like, nah, bro, he's not even following the rules. Bro, I hate when I see out of shape cops, dude. Like, the whole point of you getting into it is to go through that training and stuff, and you just let it all go, dude.
On the ground fighting.
I don't get to see it.
You don't have authority over me.
Am I dumb? Did it just...
On the ground fighting.
Bro, this is the worst video. This is the worst. This is the worst.
Have authority over me. Do not reach for my fucking gun. Do not reach for my fucking...
Bro, he's owning your ass right now. Do something, bro. Why are you even a cop?
You don't have authority over me.
Bro, you are absolutely pinned. What is going on?
No, you're not yours. All cars, no, stop. No, I'm not. I didn't do anything. All cars, start that way. Stop, bro. I didn't do anything, bro. I didn't do anything. Dumbass. No, let it go. I'll fuck you up. Right. Let it go. What is wrong with you? Do it.
There we go.
Stop.
That was a little excessive.
I didn't do it. Seriously, I didn't do anything wrong. Stop this fucking dumbass.
Dude, taser or something, bro. They give you tools for this shit, bro. You're pissing me off.
Stop, man. Just fucking stop.
Dude, get to the point. I mean, if he was gonna blast y'all, this would have been titled differently. So I feel like this sucks. Bro. Okay, Get some real cops to apprehend brother over here.
At this time, State Patrol did not wear body cameras in Minnesota. Now they do. This is
Minnesota. Really falling behind Minnesota. Not everybody's nice.
From the MnDOT Department of Transportation highway camera, which saw the incident happening live when they heard the officer over the...
Bro, he would have been... I'm glad he didn't lose the gun there, because this would have been the stupidest thing to see on video just before he died. Come on, bro. I hope he took this as a freaking lesson to shape the hell up. You're a cop, bro. You're not just working at an office like all of us, crushing 9 hours out the day. Come on, bro. Yeah, because he saved his goddamn ass. This dude would have been done for if this random out-of-shape guy couldn't save his out-of-shape ass.
Really incredible work by...
Yeah, you need the backup. Backup. It's one guy, but it's a lot. What a loser, bro. Fire.
That good suspect has 3 prior...
Bro, if you can't last in a boxing match with like the Olympic boxers, no, okay, that's a little much. But, you know, amateur boxers, if you can't go in there and crush it, why are you a cop, bro? You don't think you're going to be hand-to-hand one of these days where you can't use your taser because someone's fighting you? You can't be losing that fight, bro. People's lives on the line over here, and you're sitting there eating donuts.
DWI convictions and a prior drug conviction. He was 4 charges related to this.
Yeah, absolute warrants up the ass. Disarming a peace officer is crazy. A DWI, disarming peace officer, another one. It's crazy. Assault 4th degree. Assault 4th degree. Wow.
This convicted DWI. It's $25,000 with conditions.
Oh, that's nothing though. He's gonna pay that, bro. What are they, 10%? And he's got $250.
In the real world, generally.
I hope he doesn't have it, and I hope he rots in jail. What a terrible person. W video, bad voice. Good channel though. It got better. This was 2 years ago. All right, guys. Next one is gonna be.
Are you the Starbucks?
Maybe this one. Woman goes nuts after stealing semi truck.